Hello there, welcome to Harshi's channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can construct frequency tables using SPSS. So I am using the previous data here and let's see how we can do frequency tables with this data. First of all, you go to Analyze, then Descriptive Statistics, and the top shows frequencies. So click on that. Okay, so when you click it for the first time, this dialog box will appear in this way. Okay, all your variables will be listed here in this left column, or the box in the left. And so you have number of students and class intervals. Okay, so you have to choose which variable you are going to construct the frequency table for. Okay, let me choose the class intervals, and you want your frequency tables, so you click on this button and press OK. Alright, now this is the table you get, that is your frequency table. And here it shows the class intervals like 1 2 3 4 5 6, and their frequencies 6 5 6 7 7 2, and also their percent and cumulative percent. Okay, so this is how you can create a frequency table in SPSS. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will bring you lots of useful videos in the future.